As we age, our bodies change, but aging doesn't have to mean accepting a decline in health. Nature provides us with powerful allies like honey and turmeric. These golden ingredients, revered for centuries, offer a wealth of benefits, especially for those over 50. Honey, with its rich antioxidant profile and antibacterial properties, boosts energy levels and heals wounds. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, boasts potent anti-inflammatory effects thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Together, honey and turmeric create a synergistic blend that can help us thrive as we age. Whether you're seeking to improve joint health, boost your immune system, or enhance your overall well-being, honey and turmeric offer a natural path to vitality. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen. Honey, a golden nectar produced by industrious bees, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for millennia. Honey's remarkable properties stem from its unique composition, rich in antioxidants that protect our cells. One of honey's most well-known benefits is its ability to soothe coughs and sore throats. Its antibacterial properties help fight off infections. Beyond its soothing properties, honey offers a natural energy boost thanks to its natural sugars. These sugars are released slowly into the bloodstream, providing sustained energy without sharp spikes and crashes. Honey's versatility extends beyond its internal benefits, making it an excellent addition to homemade face masks and hair treatments. A simple mask of honey applied to the skin can leave it feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, is a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems. Its warm, earthy flavor adds depth to countless dishes. But turmeric is much more than just a culinary delight, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Turmeric's claim to fame lies in its active compound, curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to many age-related health issues. Studies have shown that curcumin can help alleviate joint pain associated with osteoarthritis. Turmeric's benefits extend beyond its anti-inflammatory properties, protecting our cells from oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help protect against cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. While honey and turmeric offer a wealth of individual benefits, it's their synergistic combination that truly unlocks their full potential. When combined, honey and turmeric create a potent elixir that can amplify their individual effects, promoting overall health and vitality. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, coupled with the antioxidant power of honey, create a formidable force against oxidative stress and inflammation. This potent combination offers targeted support for individuals over 50. Joint health often becomes a concern as we age, and the combined anti-inflammatory effects of honey and turmeric can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness. The antioxidant properties of both ingredients can help protect against cartilage damage, promoting long-term joint health. Honey's antibacterial properties, combined with turmeric's immune-boosting effects, create a powerful shield against pathogens. This combination can be especially beneficial during cold and flu season, helping to prevent and alleviate symptoms. Adding honey and turmeric to your daily routine is surprisingly simple. These versatile ingredients can be seamlessly incorporated into your diet and lifestyle in numerous delicious and convenient ways. One of the easiest methods is to create a soothing honey and turmeric drink. Simply add a teaspoon of raw honey and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of warm water or milk. Stir well and enjoy this comforting beverage in the morning or before bedtime. For a flavor-packed twist, consider adding a pinch of black pepper to your honey and turmeric drink. You can also incorporate honey and turmeric into your cooking, adding them to oatmeal, yogurt, salad dressings, or marinades. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of honey and turmeric, so aim to consume this powerful duo daily. While honey and turmeric are generally safe for consumption, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary regimen. Honey should be consumed in moderation due to its sugar content. Individuals with diabetes or those monitoring their blood sugar levels should be mindful of their intake. Turmeric, while generally safe, can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. In conclusion, honey and turmeric offer a natural and delicious path to enhanced well-being, particularly for individuals over 50. Their combined anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and immune-boosting properties make them valuable allies in maintaining optimal health as we age. Embrace the power of these golden ingredients and embark on a journey toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle.